Hello everybody, welcome to my class. I have done up to, I have introduced biparts integration in our last classes. Today I am going to start form 20. What is form 20? This is integration e to the power x function of x plus derivative of fx into dx. That is e to the power x into sum of a function and its derivative. And its integral is always e to the power x into fx plus c. You can ask why. Suppose this integral is I. Let e to the power x into fx equals to z. This is dot product. Now if we take differential of both sides, we know differential means derivative of this into dx. So its derivative is e to the power x into fx plus e to the power x into f dash x dx equals to dz. So your I becomes integration dz. This is z plus c. So your answer is e to the power x into fx plus c. Okay. So let me start with solving problems on this form. Number 1, integration e to the power x 1 by x minus 1 by x squared dx. Here you have to be wise enough to detect which one is fx and which one is f dash x. From our experience we know if we consider 1 by x as fx, then its derivative is minus 1 by x square. Look here, dpx of 1 by x, that is dpx of x to the power minus 1, this will be minus 1 into x to the power minus 1 minus 1. That is minus 1 by x square. So, to solve this problem, we have to choose e to the power x into fx. Here fx is 1 by x. So, we have to choose let e to the power x into 1 by x as z. And we have to consider this integral as I. Now, taking differential, we get e to the power x into 1 by x, that is derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x, and then plus e to the power x unchanged and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Whole thing into dx equals to dz. So we get e to the power x into 1 by x minus 1 by x square dx. Dx is equals to dz. So we get I equals to integration dz z plus c, that is e to the power x into 1 by x plus c, or you can write it as 1 by x e to the power x plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Next, proceed to the next problem. Number 2. E to the power x into sin x plus cos x. Now, look, if you consider cos x as fx, then its derivative is minus sin x, but this is plus sin x. So, this will be not our choice. We have to choose sin x as fx. because then its derivative is cos x. Okay, so we have to consider this as I, and then let e to the power x into sin x equals to z. Now taking differential e to the power x into sin x plus e to the power x into cos x dx equals to dz. And then e to the power x into sin x plus cos x dx, this is dz. So our I becomes integration dz, that is z plus c, that is e to the power x into sin x plus. Always remember, this type of integral ultimately results to e to the power x into fx. Number 3, integration sin of ln x plus cos of ln x dx. Here you may ask, where is e to the power x here? E to the power x is not seen in the given question, given integral. Okay, so for this we have to choose first, let ln x equals to say u, then you get x equals to e to the power u, so your dx becomes e to the power u du. So integral I becomes, this is sin u, this is cos u, and this dx becomes e to the power u du. Now look, this is fx, is f dash x. So next our substitution will be, let e to the power u sin u is equal to z, then you get e to the power u into sin u plus cos u du equals to dz. So the integral becomes integration dz, this results to z plus c, so this becomes e to the power u sin u plus c, and finally e to the power u is x, sin u is ln x plus c. This is your final answer. Next question. Number 4. Integration e to the power x tan x plus ln sec x. Yes. Now, what is your fx here? Look, if you choose tan x as fx, then its derivative is x square x, but here this is not here. Now ln sec x, what is derivative of ln sec x? This will be 1 by sec x into sec x tan x, so its derivative is tan x. So we have to choose, let e to the power x into ln sec x is z. Now taking differential, this will be e to the power x ln of sec x. E to the power x ln sec x is 1 by sec x into sec x tan x whole into dx equals to dz. So finally you get e to the power x into ln of sec x plus this is tan x dx equals to dz. So this becomes integration dz. So z plus c. So your answer is e to the power x into ln of sec x plus c. Next question. Number 5. Integration e to the power x into 2 plus sine 2x divided by 1 plus cos 2x dx. Now the picture is not prominent till now. We have to simplify it to get the prominent picture. Let us write 2 plus, instead of sin 2x, let us write 2 sin x cos x divided by 1 plus cos 2x is 2 cos square x dx. Now this reduces to e to the power x into 2 by 2 cos square x, that is sec square x, 2 sin x cos x by cos square x, that is tan x. Now you get the step, because if you take tan x as fx, then its derivative is sec square x. So now you have to consider let e to the power x into tan x equals to z. After doing derivatives, you get integration dz, that is z plus c. So your answer is e to the power x into tan x plus c. You have to do all this. I have not done, but you have to do, because I have shown you in the last problem that you have to do all this. Okay. Now I am just identify the function fx and f dash x and skip the remaining step. You have to do it your own. Next. Integration e to the power x into 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. E to the power x, sin x is 2 sin of x by 2 cos of x by 2 divided by 1 minus cos x is 2 sin square of x by 2, then dx. Integration e to the power x 1 by 2 sin square x, that is half cos x square x by 2 minus cot of x by 2. Look, if you consider minus cot of x by 2 as fx, what will happen? ddx of minus cot of x by 2 minus, then cot of x by 2 is minus cos x square x by 2, then derivative of x by 2 is half. So finally you get half cos x square x by 2. This is, so here it is fx, it is f dash x. So your substitution will be let e to the power x into minus cot of x by 2 equals to z. Take differential, you get here integration dz. So answer will be z plus c. What is z? Z is minus e to the power x cot of x by 2 plus. This is your answer. integration e to the power x into x by x plus 1 whole square dx. Look, in this type of problems, you have to decompose this part as a sum of fx and f dash x using your previous experience. Okay, you have to apply your experience to decompose it into two parts, fx and f dash x. Look, here x can be written as x plus 1 minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx e to the power x. This by this is 1 by x plus 1 and this is minus 1 by x plus 1 whole square dx. Look, if this is fx, then this is f dash x. So here your substitution will be, let e to the power x into 1 by x plus 1 is z. Do differential, you get here integration dz, your answer will be z plus c, that is e to the power x by x plus 1 plus c. This will be your answer. Okay, let us have a short break. After the break I am coming with more problems on this form. Till then, be there.